Subscribe now for update video every day.
Description of Nakasendo Trail Winter Tour, Japan. An 8-day guided snowshoeing or winter walking holiday in Japan that takes you not only on one of the country's most heavenly hiking routes, the Nakasendo Trail, but also to Kyoto and Tokyo. This is, in fact, an ancient trail between these two cities dating back to the 8th century when Tokyo was still known as Edo. It is over 500 kilometers long, and was originally created so that feudal lords could traverse the mountainous terrain to access all their different territories. This trip includes 5 winter walks on the trail, following in ancient footsteps on some of our favorite segments and taking you through traditional villages feel unchanged by time. Usually very popular with tourists at other times of the year, you are experiencing its beauty at a very tranquil and tourist-free time. We chose these particular sections of the Nakasendo Trail because they are not too challenging, with routes that will take between 1 and 3 hours, some on paved paths and others on rugged forest-lined trails, and also because there are wonderful traditional inns known as ryokans in the stunning Kitso Valley along the way. These also have the all-important Japanese traditional baths, some direct from volcanic springs which are typical of this volcanic region. A very important part of Japanese culture, water is almost sacred in these parts, as if the whole ritual of bathing. Food is also a fundamental part of the Japanese culture, of course, and so you won't go hungry after a day of winter walking on the trail, your hosts preparing some of the finest Japanese food for you. One of the other joys of the Nakasendo Trail is that it connects up rather brilliantly with Japan's rail network, which enables you to visit the country's heritage-rich cities of Kyoto and Tokyo too, starting in the former and finishing in the latter. With the services of our fine local expert guide to take you on a half-day walking tour around Tokyo, visiting highlights such as the Hamarakyu Gardens and also the Japan Bridge, or Nihonbashi, the traditional endpoint of the trail,